Okay, here's something cool you can do. You can take a solder sleeve and basically get another piece of your shielded wire, or a wire, you know, I'm using white with black stripe is the color I've designated for shielding. So it's about the only time you can use solder in a harness is for these. You can slide this over, and what this will do is it'll create a bond between the shield, give you your flying lead, and tie it all together with solder shrink. And this is really rigid solder too, so it supports it very nicely. So when it's done, this is what you're left with. You get your shielding, flying lead, everything all tied together. Nice and convenient, where you can make your splice and then run it into your ground on your ECU. So